Alrighty, welcome to another video. Yes, I am making a video on the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. Now, we'll just say that this is matrix A, and I'll probably continue this problem, and what I'll do is I'll continue it and show how to do the inverse, because, you know, as we know, like, the inverse is just the 1 over the determinant. So how do you do the determinant of a 3x3? Well, it's the same process as a 2x2. And if you don't know how to do a 2x2, there's plenty of videos on the internet. So yeah, there's that. So what you do is, first of all, you look for any zeros, right? Because they're the easiest numbers to get rid of. I just spat on my page. And the reason why they're the easiest is 0 multiplied by anything is 0. But because there's no real obvious one, I can see that there's a 1 and a 1 here. So it's clear to me that I should, well, I'll just explain the process. So what I do is I choose this one, right? That means if I choose that one, I cross out this point, I cross out that point. Now this is going to get a little messy, but I'm really sorry about that, but it's for your own benefit. So enjoy. So a matrix is like closed brackets like that, but when you're taking the determinant, you do straight lines like that. It's just notation. It's nothing really spectacularly different about it. And that's just equal to 1. As I said, I've chosen 1. And then I do 5 times 3. And I'll just bracket that minus 7 times 3. So it's the exact same as the process of a 2x2. You know, this times this minus this times this. So A, D, B, C, or A, what I can't remember. I just know how to do it. But that's how it's done. Right, okay, so we've done our first one. Now we move to the right. For the record, this is plus, minus, plus. So if I were to start down, it would be plus, minus, plus. And if I started at the 4 here, it would start with a minus, plus, minus. That's just how it goes. So yeah, just in case you were wondering. So I'm going to have a subtraction here, minus 2. And then, so I've chosen 2. I cross out here and I cross out here. Which means I have 4 times 3. Now I'm sorry about the mess. Like, it's if I could, and if I had time, I'd redraw the matrix every single time to make it more clear, but I hope you get the idea. So I've chosen 2, so I close down its column, close down the row, and I'm like, all right, well, I have this number, and this number. So 4 times 3 is 12, and that's subtract by 7 times 9, which is 63, and I'll just do that straight away because I'm being weird. All right, that's done. So now I'm back to 1. So plus 1, and then bracket. And by the way, this 1, this 2 gets distributed to the term on the inside, also in case you were wondering. Okay, so the last term, so it's 1. So I close down its column, close down its row, and I'm left with these 4 numbers. So 4 times 3 is 12 minus 5 times 9 is 45. Bam. And then all you have to do to finish that off, the determinant of A is therefore equal to 15 minus 21 minus 2, 12 minus 63. And then that's plus, and there's a 1 here, so it doesn't matter, it's the same as here. So 12 minus 45. And, you know, you could do this in your head, but I'm pretty brain dead. So when I do the calculator, you're going to have to trust me that I'm doing it on the calculator, because I don't want to put the calculator here, because then I can't see the numbers. So 15 minus 21 minus 6, and then that's going to be minus 2, 12 minus 63, so that's times minus 51. And I also don't want to make a stupid mistake on camera, so don't judge me. And then plus 12 minus 45. So 12 minus, I shouldn't have put a plus there. So that's, I'm going to get rid of that. Minus 33. So minus 6. Now that's 102. And then that's minus 33. So 102 minus 6 minus 33. And we get an answer. The determinant of A is equal to 63. And that's how you did the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. I'll definitely do a video on how to do the inverse and do trickier examples. Might even show how to do Kramer's rule. And even row operations. I've also done that. I know. Feel sorry for me. I've done everything. But yeah, I haven't done it for a very long time though, so I have to like relearn this stuff. And I know I said I'd do a channel direction where I'd be doing structural stuff, and I will. It's just, I'm looking for the right example. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching and learning how to do this, even though you probably already knew how. Alright, it's time I close the video.